Hi guys, and welcome to a new tutorial. If you feel like practicing or going along with the video, you can download the sample file in the description. Also, if you have any doubts, don't forget to leave a comment, to like, and to subscribe. So let's get started. So in this case, I have a decimal number in here, 20.63256, and I want to round this number. So what I want to do is to type in here the equal sign, and I'm gonna type the word round, and I'm gonna open up the parentheses, and I'm gonna select cell B2, and then I'm gonna press a comma, and then the formula, it's asking me for the number of digits that I want to display. So in this case, I want a whole number, so I'm gonna press 0, which means that I want 0 decimals on the result, and I'm gonna close the parentheses, and after that I'm going to press enter. So now after I press enter, I'm gonna get a 21 whole number. So if I don't want to have these decimal numbers in here, I need to change the format up here. So I'm gonna click on decrease decimal, and there we go. So now I have rounded this number to 21. So I can do the same thing if I want to round the number to 1 or 2 decimals. So in this case, I'm going to select the number again. I'm gonna press a comma, and let's assume that I want 1 digit after the 20, and I'm gonna close the parentheses, and I'm gonna press enter. So now I have 1 digit, which is 6, and I can also decrease the decimals. Okay? And I can do the same thing if I want the number to display 2 or more decimals. So this time I'm going to type 2, and I'm going to close the parentheses, and there we go. So now the number is rounded to 20.63. So how is Excel going to determine if I want to round up or down a number? In this case, we have these numbers in here. We have 20.49 and 20.5. And if I type in here the formula again, and I don't want any decimals this time, enter, and I'm gonna copy this formula with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, and you can see that there is a difference now. On the first case, Excel rounded the 20.49 to 20, and on the second case, you can see that the numbers are almost the same, but Excel rounded the second one to 21. So the rule for the round formula is that Excel is going to round the numbers according to the rules we learned in school, where you round numbers greater than 5 to the upper closest number, and numbers less than 5, which in this case is 49, you round it to the closest smaller number. So that's how you use the round formula. In different videos, I'm going to show you how to use the round up formula if you want your numbers to be rounded up, and how to use the round down formula if you want your numbers to be rounded down. Alright guys, I hope that video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to leave a comment, to like, and to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be motivating me to upload more tutorials for you. Also, don't forget that you can download the sample file in the description below. So, thanks again, and see you next time!